The educational toolkits, which we included in STEAM Pack, will give a boost to your students to extend their study program with inter, multi, or transdisciplinary learning and phenomenon-based approaches, much in the spirit of the Finnish core curriculum. We really believe that these toolkits will provide your students with exciting discoveries into the world of STEAM, which is the integrated approach to science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. With 4D frame mechatronics, your students can develop their own robots controlled with their own smartphone or tablet. The toolkit combines today's hands-on creative activities with tomorrow's digital problem solving. 4D frame mechatronics comes with an illustrated full instruction with 12 different robots examples and diverse challenges. "4D Frame" is an excellent educational tool for conceptualizing, modeling, and analyzing topics relevant to all STEAM fields. And it also provides opportunities for children to experiment with creative methods in individual and collaborative problem solving. The 4D Frame STEAM set contains various types of tubes and connectors which can easily be adjusted, opening the door to an infinite number of creative solutions. The supersize 4D frame geodesic dome set is a giant educational toolkit, which is ideal for large group activities, both indoors and outdoors. You can construct a 3 meters high and 5 diameter wide geodesic dome with it, and absolutely many more. The supersize set is consisted of almost 1,000 modules. Building the giant 4D frame structures gives the experience of playful learning in its biggest adventure. Lux is called the next level Lego by the New York Magazine, as it brings a revolution in hands-on learning. Lux connects not through sticking or stacking, but through linking, and therefore gives the immediate experience of the world of kinematics, the study of linkages, a large assortment of parts designed to explore STEAM concepts across the curriculum. Lux gives your students what they need to have in class STEAM design challenges, explore machines and mathematical concepts, build biological or chemical structures, test engineering and physics theories, and create projects in computer science, art, architecture, or design. This set is also well suited for makerspaces, after-school programs, scouting groups, and team-building experiences. Lux is a Parents' Choice Gold Award winner, was named the top toy in 2018 and 2019 by Autism Live, and is an excellent tool for STEAM education. Caravonga is a versatile educational product, a source of creativity, and a great STEAM education tool for opening up the magical world of symmetries. The textile pieces are made out of 80% recycled industrial felt and cut by a manual punching machine. Polyuniverse offers a new perspective for preschool, primary, and secondary school mathematics and art education. It promotes learning by doing, playful education and problem solving through the combination of mathematics and the arts. The set comes with a huge methodology ebook and learning system available online for free, with several hundred exercises for school children, for every school grades between the age of 6 and 18.